Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is our lecture number 15 from the chapter Triangles. Class is 9th, subject mathematics, and our today's topic is question number 7 from exercise 6.1. This is the first exercise of the chapter Triangles, and today we are going to solve question number 7. Okay, let's read out question number 7. It says AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. If we see this figure, we have AB, a line segment. AB is a line segment, and P is its midpoint. P is the midpoint of AB. AB is a line segment, and point P, it is the midpoint of AB. That means AP is equal to PB. This is clear? AP, this AP is equal to PB because B is the midpoint of AB. Then we have D and E are points. D and E are points on the same side of AB. Point D and point E are on the same side of the line segment AB. That means on the upper side. On the upper side of line segment AB, there are 2 points, point D and point E. Okay, such that angle BAD, where is angle BAD? Yes, this angle, angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Why is ABE? ABE. That means this angle, that is angle DAB, is equal to this angle, and the name of this angle is angle ABE. So we have here two angles that are equal. That's angle DAB equal to angle ABE. And also we have angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Angle EPA, where is angle EPA? EPA, that means this angle, which has been marked with a red colored sketch pen. This is angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Where is angle DPB? That means this angle, angle EPA, is equal to this angle, and its name is angle DPB. Okay, this was whatever given was. Now what we have to show, what we have to prove, that triangle DAP, where is triangle DAP? This triangle is congruent to triangle EBP. EBP, that means this triangle EBP. So we have to prove that angle ADP, or we can say DAP, that means this triangle is congruent to triangle EBP. That means this triangle. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Then we have to prove also that AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE. Where is AD? This is AD and this is BE. AD is a part of this triangle, that's the triangle DAP. AD is a part of a triangle DAP, and BE is a part of the triangle EBP. This triangle AD is a part of this triangle, is a side of this triangle, and BE is one of the sides of this triangle. These will also be equal if these two triangles are proved as congruent. अगर ये दो ट्रायंगल्स आपस में कॉन्ग्रुएंट निकलें तो ये तो आपस में ऑटोमेटिकली बराबर होंगे बिकॉज ऑफ CPCT. ओके, तो हमें सिर्फ ये दोनों ट्रायंगलें कॉन्ग्रुएंट निकालनी है. अगर निकली तो ये भी बराबर आपस में होंगी because of corresponding paths of congruent triangles. Now let us try to prove that these two triangles are congruent, and for that we must see what is common between these two triangles. Before proving them as congruent triangles, before looking at what is common between these two triangles, we must first take these two angles and see what will happen to these two angles. Okay, first we will write what is given to us. You can easily see what is given. AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. That means AP is equal to PB. So we are going to write AP is equal to PB. Okay, because it is given. It is given. Now, is anything given? Anything else given? Yes, D and E are points on the same side of AB such that we have angle BAD is equal to angle ABE, comma, angle BAD is equal to angle ABE, and we have angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. So these were the things which were given. AP is equal to PB, AP is equal to PB because P is the midpoint of the line segment AB, and we have also angle BAD, angle BAD, that means this angle is equal to angle ABE, this angle. That means this angle and this angle, these are equal. Okay, then we have another pair of angles, that is angle EPA, that means this angle is equal to angle DPB, that means this angle which have been marked with red sketch pen. These two angles are also equal. These two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal as well. And also we have AP is equal to PB. We must remember these points. Okay, now what we have to show? We have to show two things. Triangle DAP. Why is triangle DAP? DAP, this triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. That means this triangle EBP. First. Second thing we have to prove is that, we have to prove that AD is equal to BE. AD, that is the second part, AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE. As I have already told you that if these two triangles are proved as congruent, these two sides will also be equal because of CPCT, because AD is a side of triangle DAP, and BE, side BE is one of the sides of the triangle EBP. So we have to give the proof of our question number 7. Proof. Okay, let's see what is common between these two triangles. But before that, we must take two angles. That is angle EPA, EPA, that means this angle. Angle EPA is equal to this angle, that is angle DPB, this angle DPB, angle DPB, and this is given. ये तो दिया हुआ है कि these two angles are equal. Okay, if you closely watch, between these two angles is angle DPE, that means this angle DPE is adjacent angle to angle DPB and as well as angle EPA. This angle, which is between these two angles, which have been told that these are equal. हमसे कहा गया है कि ये आपस में इक्वल है, मगर ये जो एंगल है, ये एंगल जिसका नाम हम रखेंगे DPE, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है DPE, तो इस एंगल की जो रिलेशन है वो इस एंगल के साथ भी है और इस एंगल के साथ भी है. So this angle, that is angle DPE, it has a relation with this angle as well as this angle. What relation? That is known as adjacent, pair of adjacent angles. Okay, we are going to add this angle DPE to both the angles. That means angle EPA and angle DPB. We are going to add this angle, that is DPE. Adding angle DPE to both sides we get. चलिए जी, हमें एंगल DPE दोनों एंगल्स को ऐड करना है. ये जो आपस में बराबर हैं एंगल्स, इनको हम ऐड करेंगे एंगल DPE, फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है. ठीक है, तो चलिए इनको ऐड करते हैं. तो पहले मैं एंगल EPA लिख रहा हूं, प्लस करूंगा एंगल DPE, एंगल DPE. ठीक, एंगल DPE. उसके बाद मैं दाएं तरफ का लिखूंगा. दाएं तरफ हमारा कौन सा एंगल है? एंगल DPB. एंगल DPB प्लस करेंगे एंगल DPE. तो इस एंगल को भी हमने DPE एंगल ऐड किया और इस एंगल को भी हमने एंगल DPE ऐड किया, यानी एंगल DPE ऐड किया, क्योंकि इस एंगल का इन दोनों के साथ रिलेशन है, दैट्स पेयर ऑफ एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. So if we add these two angles, that's angle EPA plus angle DPE. What is angle EPA? EPA. And another angle is angle DPE. So these two angles, we are going to add these two angles and we get angle ABD. We get a bigger angle by adding these two angles. अगर हम इन दो एंगल्स को ऐड करेंगे, दैट्स एंगल EPA और एंगल EPD, या हम कहेंगे DPE, तो इन दोनों को ऐड करके हमें एंगल निकलता है एंगल APD. So instead of these two angles we are going to write angle APD is equal, let us see these two angles, angle DPB, angle DPB, that means this angle. And if this angle is added with angle DPE, we get a bigger angle. By adding these two angles, we get a bigger angle, that is angle BPE. So instead of these two angles, we can write angle BPE. So we have these two angles equal, that's angle APD, and now angle BPE. These are equal. We will mark it as first equation. Now we are going to take these two triangles. Now in triangle, which triangle? Triangle APD. Triangle APD. APD. And triangle, next triangle we will take as BPE. Triangle BPE. Now see what is common between triangle APD and triangle BPE. What is common between these two? First of all, if you see closely, we have this angle of triangle APD. Since we have taken two triangles, that's APD, in triangle APD we have this angle, that's angle A is equal to angle B of the next triangle. जो हमारा है वो है BPE, triangle BPE. तो पहले ट्रायंगल का जो ट्रायंगल APD है, APD उसका ये वाला एंगल, और जो दूसरा ट्रायंगल है BPE उसका ये वाला एंगल, एंगल B आपस में बराबर है. एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल B. एंगल B. तो ये तो गिवन है, ये गिवन है. चलिए जी, हो गया. अब हम इसी ट्रायंगल का जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, ट्रायंगल APD की, उसमें हम AP साइड उठाएंगे, एंगल के बाद अब ये साइड उठाएंगे. ठीक, दैट्स AP. तो मैं यहाँ पे AP लिखूंगा इज इक्वल. चलिए जी देखिए, दूसरी ट्रायंगल हमारी कौन सी है? अगर आपको याद होगा, ट्रायंगल BPE. तो उसमें तो हमने साइड PB लिया है. अगर इसमें हमने AP लिया तो इसमें हम BP लिख सकते हैं या PB लिख सकते हैं. सो वी हैव AP इज इक्वल टू PB. AP इज इक्वल टू PB. ये भी दिया हुआ है, ये भी गिवन है, बिकॉज P इज द मिड पॉइंट. P इज द मिड पॉइंट. सो AP इज इक्वल टू PB. ओके, हो गया एंगल साइड. अब देखो, अब बचा है ये वाला एंगल साइड, और ये वाला एंगल, इस एंगल का नाम है एंगल APD. दैट मीन्स दिस एंगल will be equal to this angle. जिस ट्रायंगल की हम बात कर रहे हैं, ट्रायंगल APD की, उसमें ये वाला एंगल, दैट्स एंगल APD. एंगल APD इज इक्वल टू एंगल, हम दूसरी ट्रायंगल की बात कर रहे हैं, वो है ट्रायंगल BPE, और इसमें हम ये एंगल लेंगे जिसका नाम है एंगल BPE. एंगल BPE. और ये हमें कैसे पता चला? ये आपस में बराबर है फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. देखिए, APD इज इक्वल टू BPE. एंगल APD इज इक्वल टू एंगल BPE. तो ये हमें निकला फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. ओके, नाउ वी हैव एंगल साइड एंगल. इफ यू सी क्लोजली, दिस इज एंगल, दिस इज साइड, एंड दिस इज एंगल. Angle, side, angle. Similarly, we have in this triangle, that's triangle BPE, we have angle side angle by angle side angle congruence theorem. Triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPE. So these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle congruence theorem. Okay, now when these two triangles are congruent, first part we had to prove that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. That's triangle DAP. This is the same triangle APD or DAP. Same triangle. Similarly, we have triangle BPE, but here was triangle EBP or BPE. If you see, the alphabets are the same, so it's the same angle, it's the same triangle, it's the same triangle. So we can write, or triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. I have already told you that if these two triangles are congruent, then AD is equal to BE because of CP CT. AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE because of CP CT. Okay, two things were to be shown, that is these two triangles are congruent. That has been proved. Then we had to prove another part, that is AD is equal to BE. That has also been proved. AD is one of the sides of triangle DAP and BE is one of the sides of triangle EBP. So we have these two sides equal because of CP CT. This ends the solution of our question number 7. Hopefully you understand the solution of this question. Try to see this video 2-3 times so that your doubt gets cleared. For better visuals, you can download this video and see it later on. Okay, thank you very much.